In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate boilerplate code in Cursor so you can start projects faster without writing everything from scratch. First, open your project in Cursor and create a new file for the feature or setup you need, like a component, API route, or script. Next, open the AI chat panel and describe the boilerplate you want. For example, you can say, generate a basic Express server or create a React functional component with state and props. Cursor AI will instantly generate a ready-to-use template. Review the code to make sure it fits your project structure and coding style. You can also highlight an empty file or section, then use Cursor's inline AI to generate boilerplate directly where your cursor is. If needed, refine your prompt by adding more details like frameworks, file structure, or specific features to get a more customized result. This saves time and helps you stay focused on building features instead of setup. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.